Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy fast. Start by getting a foundational understanding of the major body systems and regions. Don't get bogged down in tiny details initially. Instead, grasp the overall organization. Use a good anatomical atlas and 3D models to visualize structures, which is far more effective than just reading text. This approach builds a strong framework for more detailed learning. Once you have the big picture, dive into active learning. Drawing and labeling structures yourself, even simple sketches, significantly improves retention. Don't just passively look at diagrams, actively try to recall information. Flashcards are excellent for this, allowing you to test yourself on terms, origins, insertions, and functions. Regularly quiz yourself using unlabeled diagrams or physical models to solidify your knowledge. Spaced repetition is key to long-term memory. Instead of cramming, review material periodically, increasing the time between reviews as you become more familiar. Always try to integrate new anatomical knowledge with what you already know, linking structure to function. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, like 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Finally, incorporate these effective study habits. Teaching concepts to someone else, or even just explaining them aloud to yourself, is a powerful way to identify gaps in your understanding. Prioritize sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours each night is crucial for memory consolidation and overall cognitive function. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.